right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Tuesday, December 3rd, 2019. It is a brisk 44 degrees here in Tifton, Georgia, grow zone 8B right now this morning. We thought we would take this moment to give you guys a quick look at exactly what's going on over at Queen Annie's place and what my mom's growing right here in our front yard extended grow area here. It's been approximately about 3 weeks since we brought you our last video update on Queen Annie's place. The weather has indeed hung in here. We've gotten moderate rainfall, some fairly cold nights here in the mid to low 30s here several nights. But everything at Queen Annie's place is indeed loving this fall winter type weather here. And we're going to spin this camera around right now and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about when I say everything is indeed looking well at Queen Annie's place. Hang tight, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, Queen Annie's place. And here's what my mom's garden is looking like right here, right now, December 3rd, 2019. Take a look at this, YouTube. You guys see those carrots? When I tell you they have really taken off, YouTube, indeed. We received these carrots from Bumblebee Junction, our dear friends Mark and Tina, up in Eastern Tennessee. Thanks, Mark and Tina. These are our collard greens, looking fantastically well. We've got some garlic planted right there in the middle. 2 rows of early green sprouting broccoli. We received these seeds from our dear friend Vicky up at Little Creek Homestead in Pomona, Missouri. We have our Swiss chard, which is finally took off here, now that the weather really cooled off. And last but not least, our red rock mammoth cabbage. And we cannot wait to taste that cabbage, Vicky. Thank you so much for these seeds. This quick update is again what's going on at Queen Annie's place and what my mom's growing right here in Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching this video, YouTube. And if you are indeed currently watching this video, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and please share this video with your friends and family if you don't mind. Thanks. We really would appreciate it. Yeah. Queen Annie's place. And this one's for you, Mom. Love you.
If you're listening, I wonder if you're listening.